we'll be sending this out to you Facebook fans, and give us some hits. See what you think if I can quit moving around. And this is the tree. All the way up. I'd say it's about 65 feet, maybe 55. Come on, X, your fans are waiting. This is all the mess from the tree. Get over here. Get a little back action here. All that. Like I said, he's going to try to drop that tree on that can without using... Hang on, wait a minute. He got, what'd you say? There you go. Get her done. Get her started. Fans are watching. There we go. We're off to the races. Yes! Oh, he missed.